What is up, people? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. And today we're going to be talking about Ethereum 2.0. That's it, Ethereum 2.0. So let's check it out. These project there's a massive project here going on by Harmony. Basically, it's like Ethereum. What they've done here is they've basically contracted some and said, okay, look, this is too much work, so we're going to give out the work to you guys and we'll just pay you. So that's basically what's happening here. So basically Harmony, I'm going to read this for you. Scaling cross-chain Ethereum applications. Harmony is an open and fast blockchain. Our mainnet runs Ethereum applications with 2-second transaction finality and 1,000 times lower fees. 1,000 times lower fees. Yeah, that's what they need. If they wanna get the masses in, if they want people to adopt Ethereum on a massive scale, they definitely need to lower their fees. Otherwise, there's no way, because the developing countries won't be able to. The developing countries won't be able to afford those high fees. Firstly, secondly, if the currency is too expensive as well, they won't adopt it. So I think the only altcoins or cryptocurrencies that would be attractive to countries such as India, South Africa, Venezuela, all these countries that are their economies are okay, but well, Venezuela is not in a great state. But I mean, South Africa not either. India is, I think, out of all of them, the best. So yeah, they'd rather adopt, for instance, something like Shiba Inu or Baby Dodge, because yeah, that's within their price range, and that's what their population can afford, right? So definitely. So yeah, that's something to think about as well. So we're thinking, oh, Ethereum's gonna blow. Yeah, Ethereum's gonna blow only because Shiba Inu's gonna blow. So when Shiba Inu gains in value, then yeah, Ethereum's blockchain is gonna gain in value as well, because it's all of these ERC20 tokens are based on Ethereum's blockchain. So the other thing is, yeah, they've got grants here of $300 million, 227 apps with 400,000 wallets. Okay, 244.7 million assets, 7.71 million payout. Okay, and 7,483 artists with $1 million in 1.06 million NFT sales. Okay, what else is there? Okay, they've got the ecosystem. This is the ecosystem because this is really, really important. Without a great ecosystem and great developers, you cannot build a massive project like this. There's just no way. There's a lot of things going on. Blockchain, sharding, how are you going to shard, which groups are going to do the sharding, all of that. So they need to build out this blockchain like properly, so that it's use case friendly, and the software itself also needs to be improved, because at the moment we're thinking, oh yeah, we can buy crypto and all of that, but it's not user friendly. The interface, the functionality, it's not user friendly. So we need to look at that as well. So okay, yeah, they've got their ecosystem and partners: Ledger, MetaMask, Math Wallet, Sushi Swap, DaVinci. Oh, you name it. There's so many. I think Cardano. I don't know. I don't see a future for Cardano. I think unless they adapt and evolve. But other than that, I don't see a future for Cardano. I don't think. Yeah, there's a lot of young people coming into the field, and there's a lot of young players coming into it. It's very competitive. It's not even a joke. It's super competitive. But I guess that's what we need. That's the way the economy is actually supposed to run. So we want true capitalism, isn't it? Here's some articles, news and progress. How to use sushi on Harmony. We started an NFT campaign on Timeless, and then Terra USD, which is pretty popular nowadays. Okay, and yeah, they've got some of the crypto prices, the protocols, you name it. Right, guys. Yeah, let's see the community. Okay, they've got their monthly newsletters and announcements, project highlights. It's pretty good. All right, it looks like a very cool project, pretty awesome project. Yeah, something to look into. I think there's a lot of potential behind it. Let's see who the developers are. Technical overview of protocols, validators, and bridges. Okay, they continue to use MetaMask or Ledger, but pay minimal fees. Any Ethereum wallets or portals can work on Harmony without code changes on new installs. We are fully compatible for both transaction messages and execution environments. So here it says cross-chain interoperability. Cross-chain interoperability. So here it says why Harmony, technical overview of protocols, validators, and bridges. Cross-chain interoperability. Why Harmony, technical overview of protocols, validators, and bridges. Cross-chain interoperability. Harmony's bridges can connect any proof of work and proof of stake chains. Our Fly client architecture is fully trustless and highly gas efficient. Currently, our bridges for Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain secure tens of millions cross-chain assets. Developers simply change chain ID and enjoy faster EVM executions identical at the bytecode level. They can use their familiar and standard Web3 tooling to easily migrate to Harmony. What about users? They can continue to use MetaMask or Ledger, but now pay minimal fees. Any Ethereum wallets or portals can work on Harmony without code changes or new installs. We are fully compatible for both transaction messages, and execution environments. Right, so basically there's their compute model, trust model of finality on Ethereum, bridging fees, economic security, and bridge launch ecosystem. So you got Harmony, ZK Sync, Validum, Optimism, and Polygon. These guys are the new players. These are the big players in the crypto space. These guys are definitely the big players. Cardano and them, they're getting a bit outdated because they're not moving fast enough. That's the only thing. But you never know, eh? People change, things can change. They could start getting young, fresh developers in and all of that, so you never know. Okay, let's have a look at their YouTube video quickly.
Is a line that defines the boundary between land and sky. We could walk towards it, but we may never arrive, for there it sits, tantalizingly out of reach, yet calling us ever forward, demanding progress, demanding that we cast our eyes higher and further than we've thought possible. Because what lies beyond the horizon, well, that is a prize worth fighting for. Yes, it's here. The Harmony Ethereum bridge is ready, and it's on mainnet. But before we get too carried away, it's important to remember this is the very
It's already on mainnet, eh?
This is version 1. And this is where we put the early functionality into production and move the very first traffic. We want our early users to get a feel for bridging Ethereum assets easily and cost-effectively. So it should be simple to use and not require you to understand specifics like Merkle roots and receipt hashes, and it should be cheap enough to make it actually worth using. So we should kind of consider it as the first piece.
It's pretty good. I think that's pretty cool. Protocol strengths. Secure random state sharding. As I said, sharding, very important. Fast consensus, instant W/instant finality. Effective proof of stake and token economics. And yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you this. And this is a huge project. I really think it's something, if you guys want to go have a look at it, I'm going to leave the link in the description below, and then you guys can just check out this project. Okay, all right, guys. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a quick one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.